Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on how to secure your private key, your wallet keys using Azure Key Vault. So Azure Key Vault is a cloud platform that helps you to secure your secrets, your certificates, your key pairs, and all of those informations using the Azure Key Vault portal. So first thing you need to do is to have an Azure account. So you can create a free account which comes with $200, and also that lasts for 30 days. After that, you most likely want to go in for the pay as you go. So if you have created your account, to create an account, you just to go to the Azure portal, the home page, and then you click on create accounts, then you log in. So when you have logged in, if you are new, your dashboard might not look like this. So at the moment, I already have some resource group and Azure Key Vault that I created before. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So basically, to create a resource group, you can search for it up there and click on resource group. So all you need to do is to click on create, and you're going to fill this information in this form, and then you click on review plus create. So I don't want to create a new one right now, so I'm going to make use of the one I have before, which is this. And then the next step is to create our key vault. So I already have one key vault here, but if you want to create a new one, you click on create and you fill this form and it will be created for you. So for now, I'm still going to make use of the one I have. So once I click on these votes, I can create secrets. I currently have one secret I have created before. So if I click on secrets, it's going to show the one I have there before, and then I can click on generate and import. So here I want to create a new one, so I'll call it my new secrets. So this is the name I'm giving to the secrets, and I can put in my, let's assume this is my private key, my Algorand private key, for instance. I'll paste it there and then set the activation date. When do I want it to begin and when do I want it to expire? So it only means that, it simply means that it will start running from now, it will be active from now, and then I won't be able to access it once it expires based on what I set here. So this is not compulsory, but it's good if you want to set it. So I could just set it, this particular one, to expire on the 30th. Alright, so enabled and all that. So I can now click create. So this is a new secret that I just created, and I can go to my secrets. So once I click my secret, you see the activation date, which is today, and it's going to end 2024. It's going to expire 2024. So I can click on it to see the details of that secret. And yeah, this is my identifier, this is my URL, and this is the secret here. You can click on show secrets to show the value that you enter. So that is the value I entered. So that is that for the secret. So the next thing we want to do is to get back the secrets that we have just put in there. So what you want to do is to install the clients, the JavaScript clients. So we have default Azure credentials and secret clients. That's for the secret identity, key vault secret, and the identity, which make use of default Azure credential. There are many other identity that you could use. Then we come here, we create a new instance of the identity, and then we set the client to be equal to the new secret client, and passing our key vote URI and the credential, which is this. Let me take you there. So if you come here, if you come to the key vote section, okay, so yeah, so this is the URI for the key vote. This is the URI for the key vote that you are going to use in your app. And then after doing that, you can get the value. So this can return your objects for you, but then we just need the value, so we can do value equals to secret.value and console log, so you can see the value there. Then the next thing you want to do is to to probably recover your key if you want to. So to recover it, you do vote dot get secrets, because I'm importing it from the vote file, and use this argo dot so this is the argo SDK dot mnemonic to secret, then passing the mnemonic that you have retrieved from the Azure Key Vault. So this is our main transaction. We all want to really use that key vote. So this is just a simple payment transaction. You set up your client. So I'm making use of Pure Stake API, and this is my API key, which I kept in the .env environment, and here you have account information to know the account balance and all that. Then here we are going to say, okay, this person that is receiving it, this is the receiver, and we are encoding our message, which is just hello world. It can be anything. And then this is the amount that we want to send. This is 1 argo, and this is the sender address. So the sender address is actually gotten from the mnemonic that was retrieved from the Azure Key Vault. So here we do payment transaction, and then this is the most important part of this session, which is the part where we have to sign the transaction. So now this transaction, we are signing it with the mnemonic phrase, the private key that was retrieved from Azure Key Vault. And here we can call payments. So we'll call payments, we'll have something like this here showing that this transaction was successful and all that. So this is where I am actually calling the get secret, because it's in a separate file. So this is get secret. This mnemonic is the value of the secrets that we got from Azure Key Vault. So that will be it. Thank you for watching. I believe you learned something from this section. If you have any further question on how you can protect your private keys, or as it relates to Algorand blockchain, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, on the comment section as well. And please do well to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that.